Hi everybody, this is Sylvia Gonzalez Pizana, Manager of Collections and Interpretation at Villa Finale. And behind me is Orlando Cortinas, Manager of Buildings and Grounds. And today is, what's the date today?
The 28th.
The 28th of July, and we're gonna get ready for a big painting project. We're gonna be closed throughout August, and we're gonna explain to you a little bit of what we're gonna do and how we're gonna proceed. And then we're going to update you weekly as to how the house is going.
Hi everyone, like Sylvia mentioned, we're starting our painting project. So as you can see, we have a lot of stuff to remove from the walls and just in the general area so the painters can get in here. So we're starting upstairs and this back area. So we're going to be doing stuff in sections so we can have places to put the items and give the painters time to get started on one area so we can move to the next and get started. So we'll see how it goes and we'll keep you updated. Thanks.
Okay, so this is Villa Finale's pink bathroom, and we have tons of acid-free boxes and all our supplies here that will be used to put everything away. And you can see that, as Orlando mentioned, everything has to be put away. We have the Napoleon parlors that are going to be painted, the main hall, we have the dining room here, and the library, and we have a special plan going, and you'll see how that goes. Even all the 2,000 books in the library will also have to be removed so we can get up there to paint. So we invite you to come back to our social media channels to check out how it's going. And believe me, once we start showing these videos, this house is going to look completely different. So stay tuned, and thank you for your support of Villa Finale.